Huh? On the video.
Is this a happy birthday vlog?
Low key, yeah.
Happy birthday!
Thank you. I already know how niggas get it. Come on, cuz. Yo, fellas.
Turkey, my nigga! Turkey, my nigga! Hold on, turkey sandwich too.
Yo, fellas, a bitch. Yo.
No, family. Are you posting this?
Not right away. But
So band was great. I ain't gonna lie.
facts.
The band was great. But, nigga, keep
Oh, let me hold some. Let me hold some, cuz. Let me hold some. All right. Tight.
I love you, Biddy.
Three.
Hold a scholarship, bro.
Wait, that's it? That's all the bread y'all gonna break?
Well, I broke bread, so I broke bread.
He said all
I broke bread.
Ain't nobody eat that.
Thank you.
Hey.
No, make sure the camera see it.
Oh,
Hey, we love you. I got something, bro.
thank you. Thank you.
That's
Take a pop.
Take a pop. Take a pop.
Yo. It's a lot of saying that.
Yo, gotta find a game then, bro. How you like this shit though?
Boring as a bitch.
It could've been
Who
more.
just stayed at? Yo.
Follow me at New York, baby.
Where's the rest of the guys? They gotta be on this side of associates. Say it a little louder.
I said I hate Nicolay.
All right, thank you.
Wherever you're headed, please.
Wait, say it one more time.
I said I hate Nicolay.
All right, thank you. Wait, say it one more time.
I said I hate Nicolay.
I'm guessing you're happy. I'm guessing you're happy.
Nicolay. And I knew it was gonna happen, bro.
He's going to act throw today.
Who? I'm smart kid.
Eyes low, eyes low.
Look at the dark shit. Hey,
Wait, why your bed?
Trey.
Can we say it? Why your bed?
Hey, we got the chugs right here.
Fine shit, leave it to
Look at the camera. Shit. Oh, no. Thank you.
Hey, Anaya said fuck you in that video.
I don't give no fuck about what she's saying.
You hear my shit?
Yeah, I said thank you.
I get the don't tell me. I do. You do.
Hey, some studs be bad.
That is true.
Yo, bitch ass son.
Brian, you the GOAT.
You said no free promos, right?
Boom.
Yo! Dominique on Instagram. Yo, what's up?
Bros
there,
2026.
No free promos. SSIMON.
All of this shit getting bleeped out. How do I tell you?
Yo, that's crazy.
Answer's gonna
Baker.
And for your halftime entertainment,
Junior.
here are the Nickel
Junior.
cheerleaders.
Junior. Lil Biko. Lil Bit.
By Nicole
Wait,
Rosenberg,
Lil Bit.
Ariana
Why is he ore farming? This nigga walked over here ore farming.
That me up?
Hold on, nigga. I be forgetting Nicolay got black people for real.
Be in a different set.
This nigga just ore farming. Oh my god. Niggas in the back just ore farming. Come on, cuz. Relax, you with ODR, you're safe. Don't worry. Prosper, if anything happens, Prosper gonna air a nigga out. Don't even trip. Huh? But don't worry about it, remember. Prosper gonna free Izzy.
I was literally
Just
sick.
record it.
Hi vlog. I'm sick right now. I'm literally
So how you at the game?
I don't know. Because why would I miss this game, Prosper?
Right, Prosper.
Why would you miss this game?
Okay, who would win in a 1v1, me or Prosper?
1v1 what?
In basketball. Tell me who win one more, me or Paige in basketball?
Me.
She had 30 points.
I had 32 points.
He had
32 points.
I
What
had
was the shooting
56.
percentage?
10 threes.
What was the efficiency? 10 threes.
I had 56.
So you had like
Play
3 free
basketball.
throws?
I had 56.
Wait, you had 32?
32.
32, 10
threes
threes,
and
a
a
layup.
layup. Yup.
Off of, you went 10 for 10 for 3?
Nah, like
What's your
10 for
plus
15.
minus? What's your plus minus? What's your plus minus?
I'm leaving.
Like when you're on the court, is your team scoring more points?
Bye, Black.
Bye, vlog.
Niggas don't know they plus minus? Yo.
Hey,
No,
hey,
God, that is
he should never argue with an IB scholar.
Okay.
Thank you, Miss Baldia.
Thank you, Miss
Hey,
Baldia.
vlog this shit.
Vlog this shit.
So, you
know, it's crazy.
This is our camera now. It's our
crazy
camera
'cause
now.
all of this shit getting cut out.
Hey man, this is the outro, bro.
This the outro, bro.
Bobby's team just bust our ass. Whoa, y'all ass. He bust y'all ass.
Not a baseball. Baseball, bro. Baseball. Or nor football.
Me and Caleb, I got harassed.
I don't know the next time I'm gonna see you, Hindo, bro, but
Never again. He just hold me out of my life. So what type of mans are y'all?
I stepped up. I thought you knew the nigga. No, what's up, man? That nigga.
Yeah.
You're cool. Right.
Where's my where? Are you supposed to use? No. All y'all niggas. No, stand over there with them. All y'all niggas supposed to have my back, bro. Huh? You good, bro? No, you good. Yeah. All y'all niggas supposed to have my back. Y'all let me fail. Yeah. So. Huh? Where you at? Where you at? Where you at?
Nigga, we gotta go that way.
Love. All right, Bobby. How you getting home, bro?
My dad's
All right.
Let me just tell y'all about my experience. Today was really good. I hope everybody took in all the information and got all the different opportunities.
Right.
And we just love our HBCU.
Or a farm.
Hashtag love HBCU.
That's it. That's all you wanted to say?
Yeah.
All right.
I love my HBCU. I can't wait to leave and go travel.
Thanks. Anyway,
family, we
TC vlog.
seeing Tyler today. Big TC, big Tyler creator. You know what I mean? I don't like gay people, but Tyler creator is pretty decent.
Whoa! All right. All right, we're gonna pick up the vlog later, chat. Later, chat.
See you outside, bro. All right. You know, you might get a little sick, but make sure you don't get sick, bro. Pop the perk.
Yeah.
Opioids all 2025, bro.
And Ozempic.
And Ozempic. And fentanyl.
No, fentanyl is number one option.
Bro. Seriously, family, bro. It's cold as fuck. You actually should wear a coat.
Wear a coat, bro.
You should wear a coat. We
Wear a
told you not
coat.
to wear a coat earlier. We lied,
sorry,
bro.
bro.
The lines are, bro. Show them the lines. The lines are not moving, bro.
This shit is foul.
The wind is hard as fuck, bro. And it's not no bad
It's
bitches.
not-
It's a
it's
sausage
no-
party. It's a sausage party. It's only white niggas, bro. I'm finna kill myself.
No, let's talk about it. It hit different when you can see your people. It hit different when it hit different.
If somebody farted and I can smell it, bro. Shout out to whoever farted. You should change your diet. No bad. That shit smells terrible.
Best mob. Bro, this is actually this is great footage. Oh, okay.
I got a
Behind the scenes.
Ain't shit, man.
You mad? This gives back in the day.
It's a 2000.
How the fuck is he mad? Yeah, no.
What the fuck?
That shit hurt to watch, bro.
I ain't gonna lie.
Quite the icing.
You can't fuck that shit up. It's about to be on my fit today, actually.
My bad.
Yeah, you.
Hey, I want to be on whatever you just said.
What?
I don't know what you just said.
I said you can't fuck that shit up. It's gonna be on my fit today.
He's wearing it today. Oh.
Fit. F-I-T.
I thought you were talking about like.
Holy Zoom. Holy Zoom. I'm OB4L.
Your vest might be ass.
That shit
I
tough,
might have
nigga.
the best one.
This is hard. Hey,
I might have the best one.
I go out, no, my shit got pockets up here.
Nevaeh, no vest? No vest? No vest?
So it's like a public announcement because
No.
I forgot the memo.
No, it wasn't a public announcement.
Oh, you should have told more people. Oh, this is really nice.
Don't you got another one? Don't you got another one?
That's that one.
No, bro, you can't get the bag.
I ain't gonna lie, this is on the fit though, actually.
Just tuck it.
Okay. I gotta figure it out. I'm recording. I'm just getting them. Damn. It actually worked.
Anyways,
I'm just saying, you said it yourself.
I don't know, like I'm a very observant person, so I kind of like.
I am as well.
What the fuck?
I'm a very observant.
Grown ass woman, Mike.
I don't think so. Not
Niggas
as
prayed on my downfall. Alright.
What's good, my brother? What's good, my nizzle? What's good, man? How you doing? How you feeling? We live down these hoes like. Good, my nigga. Good, my nigga.
Mind you, it might not be 8 o'clock. It might not be 8 o'clock.
So I play my theme song?
Yeah, play your theme song. Play your theme song.
Play my theme song. Hold on. I know y'all might be tired of this one, but. I see what I got on my feet, bro. These big forces on here. Big boys walking in these hallways.
Don't tell
Big
me.
boys walking in these hallways with these big forces on. Anybody say something to me. This nigga's not big boys. Big boys. Yeah. Big boys. This nigga dumb.
Hey, I need more throwback songs today. Are you on the speaker?
That's what we doing.
Yeah.
Playing beat soundtrack is spot on today.
Oh, I got you. Let me see.
Okay, Lena, you want some boosty bad ass?
That's some real
Good, my nigga. Yeah, playlist. Send me your playlist.
You connected? I am. Send it to me. It's my phone.
You got Apple Music?
Yep. Preach. Look, it's got the green filter on it. Look. Woo, shit.
That's some Channel Zero shit.
Am I Shaq? Am I Shaq at the dunk contest?
No, but I need you to dress like this.
That's right. I keep hurting my shoulder.
Oh!
You don't look like
Drewski! Drewski! I wish I knew how to do it. Wait, do that one time. I'm gonna copy it. Hell no. Oh shit. Oh shit. Hey. Hey.
oh shit.
Hey. Hey.
Bro, that's two different fucking fraternities. They just did the nukes and the cubes.
Foul. That's like crip walking and then. Sorry.
Stretch.
I spray painted.
What is it?
Oh my gosh. I will pull it up.
I wanted to spray paint my pants, but he said no. I wanted to.
Hold on, can I turn the light on real quick?
All out, but he said I couldn't do that. How good is it? It's so good.
The rings. I had the rings on all day. This is not a stretch.
Your
That's
hair
real.
looks nothing like that.
How? Oh, I don't got fake locks. Trey,
Well,
That's me.
dedication.
Trey, give me right, bro.
Should
Let me
go buy
get
some.
like 30
Bro,
of them.
no, look at the no. Look.
I mean, it's
No,
fine.
Tomorrow I'm like, you know, Dwayne Wayne from a different world.
Yeah.
I got the glasses
I
coming.
mean, Penny Proud tomorrow.
I don't know who that. Oh, is that
You
from
don't
the
know
Proud
who
family?
Penny Proud is? Yes.
No, I was never watching Disney. Penny.
It's gonna be so good. This is my best one of the week. And then Thursday, I'm gonna be 2000s Kanye.
2000s Kanye for what? What day is that?
Throwback.
Oh,
So
throwback.
I'm doing that outfit. And then I'm gonna do.
Not current day
I'm gonna
Kanye?
do this one.
You don't want to do current day Kanye?
No, we don't do current day Kanye. Past time. I found like this exact outfit at Goodwill, so.
Wait, Mr. Gordon, can we look up Yeezy.com on here or no? They took the shirts off. They took the shirts off though. It's just, wait, I'm gonna show you. Yes, they did. I promise. I just looking at that the other day. Oh.
You're an image.
Look, it's just Yeezy store is coming soon.
He said he's not enough. So that's okay. When I told him I was doing Kanye on Thursday, he's like, ooh, you better rethink that. I'm like, but I'm doing throwback Kanye, which is great.
What's the difference between Kanye
And like, someone's normal.
They cloned him. They
So like,
cloned
mine
him.
is acceptable.
That is true.
I got a spray paint though tonight.
At the end of the day,
It's an orange.
hey, they hating on it. They hating on it. They hating on it. They hating on it. They don't understand. If this was a Drake album, they would have loved it. But Mike's unknown, so they don't fuck with him.
And I said, we gon' make it. And as they sing it in the background, I want y'all to think about that space that y'all was in. Y'all felt like y'all wasn't gonna make it out. But y'all still made it out, man.
Talk to me, Zay.
It's not a program.
Talk to me, Zay. Talk to me.
Y'all all gonna make it out one day.
Talk to me.
That's why I said, we gon' make it out. Like I said, I want y'all to all join me. I want y'all to all join me. Listen, and we all say, we gon' make it out. You know, let's sing for the last time. I want y'all to sing it like y'all really mean it. And we all say, we gon' make it out.
You niggas don't love me. The bitch wanna fight me. My t-shirt on.